Hello everyone, and today's video is going to be exploring some of the whitest sand beaches in England and also exploring some hidden coves. So let's teleport to Cornwall and let's begin the video. So welcome to another video. Today we are at a beach called, what's it called? Porthcurno. It's supposedly the whitest sand beach in the world. No, not in the world, in England. So have a look at this. It's not that fine, but it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. Anyway, the water is freezing cold, and we're gonna. So blue and clear. It is very blue, and it is so clear. The water is like seriously clear. I will show you some clips. Got the GoPro. We're about to go in, but the water is so cold, like absolutely freezing cold. But it's not gonna stop us. We've got wetsuits. We've got no excuses. So we're gonna be paddleboarding later around like some of the beaches around here, around the coastline. It's gonna be so sick. So stay tuned for this. Should we go in the water?
Yes.
No excuses, you got a wetsuit on. People over there
I'm braver than you.
People in the background of this video don't have wetsuits on and they're literally screaming, so let's go. Even with a wetsuit, it is so cold. I think Amelia's just going to the toilet, if you want to see that. Down, do a dance. It's so clear! It's amazing! Guys, look how blue that water looks from here. We are heading to a beach which is a bit further along the coast, which is, I think it's a nudist beach actually. It's not that popular, but it's actually stunning. So we're heading there. We've got a bit of rain maybe on the way, but it's not going to stop us. There's Porthchapel beach, or however you pronounce it. Right, onwards we go. We've just got to the entrance to, what's the beach called? Pedn Vounder beach. There's actually someone swimming down there. I can just see. The beach is not that big at the moment because
the tide's in.
The tide's in, but we're gonna go down and check it out.
Caution, danger.
If it says dangerous, we gotta go down. Who's going first?
I'll go first.
Okay.
But my feet are a bit slippy.
Okay, take your time. Be careful. Rocks! Nearly fell over.
The rocks.
Just got down to Paddleboarding beach. I'll put it on the screen, you'll see it. There's a couple of people, it is a nudist beach, so there's a couple of people who are naked, but it's cool. Well, it's not really cool. We're not. We're in wetsuits. It's freezing cold, so I don't know why you want to do it.
I don't know how they're doing it.
I don't know how they're doing it. It's also a very quiet beach because it's really hard to get down. Like the last bit is a proper scramble, like you are scrambling down.
There's a first aid kit.
There's a first aid kit before you go down, which is a bit worrying, but it's fine. But there's so many caves and stuff around here. Hopefully you can hear me as well, because the audio might not be great with the waves, but look at this place! So pretty. Should we go exploring?
Yeah!
Woo! Okay, so let's go in the cave. Ah! What is that? It's almost been 4 hours since we got to the first beach, so we've got to go back and get the car because otherwise the ticket's going to run out. This beach is pretty damn nice, but we're probably going to come back and paddleboard here at some point, which will be awesome. Hopefully the tide will be out because there's apparently sandbars and everything, so it should be really cool. But yeah, let's head back up and back to the car. Basically, it's a whole new day. It's pretty sunny now. Well, a little bit sunny. Still a bit cloudy, a bit of rain earlier, but we've got the paddleboard, the 12-footer, and we will be heading into the water, which is only about 100-meter walk, and going around all this coast. I'll put the name of the beach and the car park we're at here on the bottom, and it should be pretty cool.
It's very rural there.
It is really rural. Cool. It's quite a long way to get here.
Well, and the walk views are amazing.
The walking views are insane. We can actually paddleboard round to Porthcurno, or however you say it, I can't say it. So let's go. You ready? Let's go. Oh, there's so much seaweed. We are heading into a beach next to Porthcurno. That's definitely not how you say it, but
This beach is really hard to get to by foot, so it's literally empty, whereas all the other beaches are busy.
we actually can't get there by foot unless you jump off the cliff. So
I don't think many people are going to do this one.
yeah, let's go to paddleboard. Okay, so we have got to this beach. It is the one left to Porthcurno.
And the sun's out!
And finally the sun is out. We were just saying how cold we are, and then suddenly the sun comes out and we're wrong!
Sun
It's
comes
so nice.
out, sun comes out. We're in a private beach.
Okay, so we're gonna start making our way back that way and back to the car on our bluefin paddleboard. This beach is actually really nice, definitely recommend it. It's near Porthcurno, I think it's called. Let's start the journey back. Come on!
Let's go! I'm coming!
So we've just like nearly back home, and the seal was like following us. Oh, it's in the
Oh my
background.
gosh!
It's
Wait.
in the background. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's just there. How
But it
crazy
was
is
right behind us.
It was
before.
literally like 2 meters behind us, and I freaked out, and I was suddenly paddling really fast. But how cool is that? I don't think they're dangerous. Tell me if they are.
I don't think so.
No. I think he just wanted to have a little look.
I
He's
think
still
he was
there.
just intrigued.
Just
Little
intrigued
lad.
about what we're doing. But we're nearly back. This
He's
coastline.
still just popping his head up though.
He's still popping his head up. We're nearly back now.
Cool.
Let's go.
Oh, gone out.
Gone out. Yeah, the pipe's gone out. Okay guys, so we are at the car now. We've packed the paddleboard away in the car. There it is, all nice and wet. We've taken off our wetsuits because Amelia was getting pretty cold. And that is the end of the video. So I hope you enjoyed the little tour of southwest Cornwall and all around here. If you've got any questions about where I've been, where we paddleboard or anything like that, then message me on Instagram and I'll see you in the next video. Say goodbye, Amelia.
Bye.
Bye. And who knows where it will be? Probably somewhere in England, maybe in South Wales. We don't know yet. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one.